Hi, if you would like to learn how to make restaurant-style French fries, this is the channel for you. Hi, I'm Chef Edward, and I've been a chef for over a decade, and I'm here to show you tips and tricks I've learned over the years. So, first, you're gonna need potatoes. I like Brussels potatoes. And also, I have a fry cutter right here, but you could just cut it up as well with a knife. But it makes it easier as a fry cutter, so you just put them in. And then you push down, and there you go. You have your fries, like so. I like to put them in a bowl of water to help get rid of a lot of the starch. So, okay, I have a pot of oil, and it's heated up. And what I'm going to do before adding the French fries is I'm going to strain the French fries in a colander. So this is how you make them restaurant style. The secret is you fry them twice. So first is a blanch, and then the second time is the actual cook. So I have a sheet tray over here on the side. I'm going to add the French fries. The oil should be around 350 to 325 to begin with. So on our French fries, on the first fry, you want to have a slight coloring on it. Not too dark. You want to almost like a blonde, but not quite golden. Okay, so this is the color we're looking for. So we're going to put it in a sheet tray. And then next, we're gonna let them cool off. We're gonna put them in a refrigerator to cool off. Okay, our fries are nice and cool, and our oil is at 375. So now we just wanna add our French fries to the oil and finish them cook. Let them cook. So we're gonna cook them till it's a golden color. Okay, our fries are pretty much done. They're nice and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. So I'm going to turn off the heat. And right when you pull them out, that's when you want to add your salt and pepper, so it sticks to the French fries while they're still warm. Okay, we just took our French fries off. Now we're going to put them in a bowl. And we're going to add a little bit of parsley. And also grated Parmesan cheese. Mix it up a little bit. Now we are going to add it to our plate. And there you go. You have restaurant-style French fries. Now, if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Now it's your turn.